Welcome to Motivation of Life, where we dive into inspiring stories and valuable information to help you achieve greatness. Today, we have an exciting vlog lined up, filled with motivation and opportunity. Have you ever dreamed of working in Canada? Well, buckle up because we're about to introduce you to the incredible New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023, a 5-year initiative aimed at addressing labor shortages and opening doors for skilled workers like you in various sectors across the province. This program is not just any ordinary pathway, it's a chance to turn your dreams into reality. Picture yourself thriving in a job you love, contributing to an organization that values your skills, and embracing a new chapter in life. In this vlog, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about the Critical Worker Pilot Program. From its employer-driven nature to the support offered for newcomer settlement and language training, this program has your success at its core. But wait, there's more. We won't stop there. We'll also guide you on how to create a top-notch Canadian standard resume that showcases your strengths and experiences in the best possible way. This essential tool will undoubtedly capture the attention of employers and set you apart from the crowd. And that's not all. As a bonus, we'll share the secrets to crafting a captivating Canadian standard cover letter that leaves a lasting impression on hiring managers. Your passion, enthusiasm, and genuine interest in the position will shine through every word, making employers eager to meet you in person. So, if you're ready to embrace the journey towards success, hit that play button and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Remember, every great achievement begins with that first step, and we believe in you. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Your future awaits. Let's make your dreams a reality in the friendly and engaging atmosphere of Motivation of Life. See you in the vlog. It's time to soar high. Recap about the program. Introducing the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot, a 5-year program designed to address critical labor shortages in various sectors across the province. This program aims to attract skilled workers to occupations that have been, and will continue to be, difficult to fill in New Brunswick in the years to come. The Critical Worker Pilot Program operates as an employer-driven stream, centered on targeted recruitment for skilled workers. As such, candidate applications to this program are made exclusively through participant employers. Direct applications from interested individuals are not accepted at this time. The participant employers have been carefully selected based on their demonstrated experience and consistent use of provincial and federal economic immigration programs over the past 3 years. Moreover, these employers have shown their commitment to providing enhanced support for newcomer settlement, skills development, and language training for their employees. While the pilot's program current scope is limited, the program remains dedicated to regularly evaluating its performance, with potential opportunities for broader participation in the future. Employers interested in discovering how New Brunswick's economic immigration programs can support their workforce needs are encouraged to visit available, provided in the video description. For candidates seeking job opportunities in New Brunswick, we urge you to engage with our esteemed participant employers for potential roles. Inspiration to achieve success. Embrace the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023. Taking the first step towards success is paramount. Believe in yourself, and you will conquer every challenge. For nothing is impossible in this world. Pursuing a job in Canada may seem daunting, but fear not, as it is an achievable endeavor. No one is more committed to your dreams than you. So seize this opportunity to broaden your knowledge and skill set. I assure you, with determination, you can make it happen. Embrace the chance to apply for the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023, an excellent pathway to your aspirations. Remember, the key is to act now. For procrastination may hinder your dreams. Embrace the journey with motivation and politeness, and success will be within your reach. Your future awaits. Go forth and embrace it. How to write Canadian Standard Resume. Creating a Canadian Standard Resume, also known as a Canadian Style Resume, involves presenting your qualifications and work experience in a specific format that is widely accepted in Canada. The format typically emphasizes clarity, professionalism, and a strong focus on your skills and accomplishments. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a Canadian Standard Resume. 1. Contact information. At the top of your resume, include your full name, address, phone number, and a professional email address. Make sure your contact details are up to date and accurate. 2. Resume objective or summary. Optional. A brief statement at the beginning of your resume can summarize your career goals or highlight your key qualifications and achievements. Keep it concise and targeted to the position you are applying for. 3. Work experience. Start with your most recent job and list your work experience in reverse chronological order, from newest to oldest. For each position, include the following information: job title, company name and location, employment dates, month and year, job responsibilities and achievements. Use bullet points to make it easy to read. Highlight your accomplishments and quantify your achievements using specific numbers or percentages when possible. This helps employers understand the impact you had in previous roles. 4. Education. List your educational qualifications in reverse chronological order, latest degree or certification first. Include the name of the institution, degree, diploma earned, and the dates you attended. 5. Skills. Create a separate section to showcase your relevant skills. Include both technical skills, e.g., programming languages, software proficiency, and soft skills, e.g., communication, leadership, that are applicable to the job you are seeking. Align your skills with the requirements mentioned in the job posting. 6. Certifications and professional memberships, optional. If you have any relevant certifications or memberships in professional organizations, include them in a separate section. 7. Volunteer experience, optional. If you have volunteered in the past and the experience is relevant to the job you are applying for, consider adding a section to highlight your volunteer work. 8. Additional sections, optional. Depending on your background, you might consider including sections for projects, awards, publications, or language proficiency, if relevant. 9. References. It is not necessary to include references on your resume. Instead, you can mention that references are available upon request. If an employer wants references, they will typically ask for them separately. 10. Formatting tips. Keep the resume well organized, using clear headings and bullet points for ease of reading. Use a professional font, e.g., Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman, in 10 to 12 point size. Limit the resume to 1 or 2 pages, especially if you have limited work experience. Use white space effectively to avoid clutter. 11. Proofreading. Before sending out your resume, thoroughly proofread it to catch any spelling or grammar errors. 12. Save and send. Save your resume in a common format such as PDF to ensure it looks the same on any device. When applying for jobs online, follow the employer's instructions on submitting your resume. Usually, you will need to attach your resume to your online application or email. Remember, tailoring your resume for each job application is essential. Analyze the job posting to understand what skills and experiences are relevant and customize your resume accordingly. By following these guidelines and customizing your resume, you can create an effective Canadian-style resume that showcases your qualifications and increases your chances of landing interviews. How to write Canadian standard cover letter for job. Creating a captivating and effective Canadian standard cover letter can be a powerful tool in landing your dream job. A well-crafted cover letter showcases your enthusiasm for the position and helps you stand out from other applicants. Let's go through each section of the cover letter and create an engaging and polite tone to captivate the reader. 1. Header. Begin your cover letter with your contact information at the top. Include your name, address, phone number, and a professional email address. 2. Salutation. Address the recipient in a polite and respectful manner. Use their name if you have it, such as, Dear Mr. Smith, or Dear Ms. Johnson. If you don't know the name, you can use a general greeting like, Dear Hiring Manager. 3. Opening paragraphs. Start your cover letter with an attention-grabbing sentence that shows your excitement for the opportunity. For example, I was thrilled to discover the job title, opening at company name. And I am eager to apply my passion and skills to contribute to your esteemed organization. 4. Show genuine interest. Use the next paragraphs to demonstrate your knowledge about the company and the position. Research the company's values, mission, and recent accomplishments. Explain why you are inspired by their work and how your skills align with their needs. 5. Highlight your unique qualifications. Share your most relevant accomplishments and experiences. Focus on how your skills can make a positive impact on the company. Be specific and use quantifiable achievements when possible. This will pique the reader's curiosity and make them eager to learn more about you. 6. Address the job requirements. Carefully read the job description and address how your qualifications match their needs. Emphasize your strengths and how they align with the company's goals. Let the employer know that you have taken the time to understand their needs. 7. Express enthusiasm. Continue expressing your excitement and motivation for the role. Showcase your passion for the industry and how you are eager to contribute to the company's success. Your enthusiasm will resonate with the reader. 8. Showcase your personality. Inject your cover letter with a bit of your personality. Be positive and optimistic, and let your passion for the role shine through. This will help the reader connect with you on a more personal level. 9. Closing paragraph. Conclude your cover letter with a strong call to action. Express your gratitude for their time and consideration and request the opportunity for an interview. You can say something like, I would be honored to discuss my qualifications further in an interview and to learn more about how I can contribute to company name's continued success. 10. Closing salutation. End your cover letter with a polite closing, such as, sincerely, or, best regards. If you use the recipient's name in the salutation, use their full name in the closing as well. 11. Signature. Sign your cover letter with your full name, written in a professional manner. 12. Proofreading. Before sending your cover letter, proofread it carefully to ensure there are no spelling or grammar errors. A well-written cover letter leaves a lasting impression. Remember, a successful cover letter is not only about your skills but also about how well you can convey your passion and motivation for the role. By using an engaging and polite tone, you can create a cover letter that captivates the reader and leaves them eager to meet you in person for an interview. Good luck with your job application. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program 2023 and a step-by-step guide on crafting a Canadian standard resume and cover letter. Remember, success begins with belief in yourself. And the New Brunswick Critical Worker Pilot Program is the perfect pathway to achieve your dreams in Canada. Act now, embrace the journey with motivation, and success will be within your reach. Don't forget to engage with our esteemed participant employers for potential roles and tailor your resume and cover letter to showcase your passion and enthusiasm for your dream job. With determination and a captivating approach, you'll stand out among applicants and find yourself one step closer to achieving your goals. Your future awaits. Go forth and embrace it. Good luck on your journey, and remember, nothing is impossible in this world with the right mindset and attitude.